Let me just say it straight. If your budget feels like a prison sentence, you're doing it wrong. You see, the way most of us were taught to budget, it's designed for bare survival, not wealth. It's all about restriction, cutting out fun, sacrificing everything. You're not building a life, you're just trying not to drown. But here's the hard truth. You're budgeting like you're broke, and that's exactly why you stay broke. Today, I'm going to show you the rich mindset when it comes to money. A smarter way to budget that puts your money to work for you. So if you're tired of paycheck to paycheck life, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's upgrade your money game. Hey, it's Martins here from Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Let's get started. Let us start with the real problem with traditional budgeting. Let's talk about traditional budgeting. You know, the kind we're taught in school or maybe online. It usually goes like this. Step 1, list all your expenses. Step 2, cut out anything fun. Step 3, feel bad when you fail and order takeout. Step 4, repeat the guilt cycle. Does it sound familiar to you? This method teaches us to focus only on what we lack. It really reinforces a mindset of scarcity. You're basically saying to yourself, I don't have enough, so I need to shrink, sacrifice, and survive. But here's what the wealthy understand. You don't grow wealth by cutting everything, you grow it by directing your money into opportunities. Rich people don't budget just to save, they budget to build wealth. That means if we want to be rich, you must make wealth building a priority in our budget. That takes us to a very vital aspect of this video, how to budget like the wealthy. So how do rich people approach budgeting? What the rich do is simple. They don't start budgeting with expenses, they start with goals. They ask, how can this budget grow my income? Where can I put this money so it multiplies? And how can I use this month's budget to buy back my time? So they prioritize things like investments, business growth, high-income skills, and delegating tasks to free up their energy. Instead of, obsessing over every cent they spend, they focus on creating cash flow. That's actually how they stay rich. Not by hoarding, but by directing their money. Now let me show you how to apply this to your own life. The broken 50-30-20 rule. I've talked about why the rich and the wealthy really dislike the 50-30-20 budgeting rule. We've all heard it, right? The rule says that 50% of our income should be budgeted for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. On the surface, it sounds nice. It looks balanced. But here's the truth that, honestly, 90% of the over 8 billion people on this planet don't know about. It keeps you comfortably average. So where in that formula are you budgeting for growth? Where are the investments? Where's the business fund? And where's the budget for your dreams? Certainly none. You see, the 50-30-20 rule assumes your income never changes, that you'll always be working for money, never making money work for you. That's a problem. We don't want average, we want wealth, we want freedom. Let me give you a new formula that I personally use. If this video is making sense to you, please let us know what you love about it in the comment section below. And please share this video with your family and friends, because this will surely give them financial freedom. The Millionaire Money Method. I call it the 70-20-10 wealth formula. It's flexible, powerful, and growth-oriented. Here's how it works. 70% for lifestyle and essentials. That means rent, food, transportation, fun. Yes, fun is allowed. Live well, but within bounds. Okay, so 20% goes to investment and growth. This is your wealth accelerator. You want to put this into income-generating assets, side hustles, education, or even tools that help you build your business. Now 10% is set aside for liquid savings or an opportunity fund. This is your cash buffer for emergencies, quick opportunities, or, reinvestment. The real magic here is that you're not just saving to save, you're saving to actually build your future. Every dollar has a job, and honestly, most of those jobs are to work for you. Don't just budget your expenses, budget your income. Here's a mindset shift I really wish I learned sooner. Stop budgeting only your spending. Instead, start budgeting your earning. Every month, just ask yourself, how much of my time is dedicated to increasing income? What percentage of my energy goes into building assets? And what are 3 ways I can earn an extra $500 this month? This is how the wealthy think. They don't budget from scarcity, they budget from creation. You see, most people limit their life to their salary. But wealthy people, they expand their life with their skills, leverage, and vision. So, instead of saying, I only have $3,000, how do I survive? Try asking yourself, how do I turn this $3,000 into $6,000 next month? That's power. That's ownership. That's the kind of financial intelligence that I've been talking about throughout this video and on this channel. Practical tools and habits. Alright, now let's get real. Here are some tools and habits to shift your budget forever. So here's a little tip. Use budgeting apps like YNAB or Monarch, but don't just stick with the basics. Tweak them to track your income, your growth, and even your return on investment. And, set a wealth goal each month. It could be something like building a new income stream, buying your very first ETF, or maybe even launching your own digital product. Make it a habit to do a weekly money check-in. And I'm not just talking about paying your bills. Ask yourself, what did I do to grow this week? It's a simple question, but honestly, it can change the way you look at your finances. And you know my favorite habit, I name my money. Only the wealthy really know this trick. If you want to be rich too, name your money. That means give every single dollar a job and a goal. Instead of just saying you're saving, say something like, this is my Escape the Rat Race fund, or this is my freedom machine, or even, this is seed money for my future business. It's a small shift, but wow, it makes a big difference. You know, it really changes how you see money, from something you keep to something you actually deploy. So here's the truth, my friend. You were never meant to budget like you're broke, you were just trained that way. But today, that changes. From now on, you're budgeting like a boss, like someone who builds, creates, and multiplies. Your budget is not your limit, it's your launch pad. So, in the comments tell me, what's one thing you're going to start budgeting for that builds your future? Like this video if it spoke to you. Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving and start thriving. And join the global billionaire family, because we're not just talking money, we're building legacies. This is Martins, your host at Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay rich in mind, and the money will follow.